not all of us understand everything in the Quran, but one word sometimes can stick, and at a time when you need it in your life, it comes to help you. That's how the Quran is magnificent. One word. That's why it's so, 2 words. And one experience for me is, I've had many experiences like this, but one time when I was really desperately in need, where I was in deep, deep, deep grief and loss. And at that point, I can't think straight. And I just can't think. So many different thoughts came to me. And subhanAllah, I don't know what the connection is with the subconscious mind, but when you're reciting the Quran every day from a young age, when you really need it and you can't think, the verses come to you somehow. And for me, but you've got to be regularly reading it, right, or reciting it. So, you know, certain verses came to me. I was in Lebanon, I heard the adhan in the masjids being called, and this ayah came to me. I won't say which one because it's, alhamdulillah, people have heard my story, but it's...
I want to hear it.
It's online.